Good morning, children. Today we'll start chapter 7. Okay, chapter 6 we'll do later on. So I will start today chapter 7, that is HTML and introductions. So, see children, first of all, I need to open the notepad. So, all program accessories. Okay, there I'll get a notepad. So, let me increase the font size. Say 14, little bit more I want to increase. Okay children, so today we are going to start our chapter 7, that is HTML and introductions. First of all children, HTML stands for hypertext markup language. In internet you have seen there are lots of pages. Okay, like when we open a Facebook, Google, Gmail or any companies or school websites, you'll find there are different pages which are known as web pages, and these web pages all together means similar type of web pages makes a website, where first page is home page. Now the children's, how this website or web pages are designed, what languages are used. The language used to design is HTML, hypertext markup language. It has so many features, like the documents are simple text file, web browser is used to open this. There is no need of compiling, you don't have to compile, you don't have to execute. Okay, it is not a case sensitive also, you can type in small or capital letter, doesn't matter. And HTML document can be viewed on any type of computer platform. It doesn't need any additional platform. Now the question arises, where to write and how to write. HTML programs are written in HTML editors. There are two types. One text editor, another WYSIWYG editor. Text editor can be normal like Notepad, WordPad, Microsoft Word, any you can use. And WYSIWYG editor, which stands for what you see is what you get. These are some additional application which can be used to design HTML pages, like Adobe Dreamweaver, Microsoft Front Page. These are the pages these are the applications we can use to design, to create HTML programming. There is DHTML as well as XML also. DHTML stands for Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language, and XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. These are also some popular languages. So today I'll show you how to create a simple web page using HTML editor. So children, first of all you have to open the notepad. For that the step is you have to click on Start, then All Program Accessories, Notepad. Then you have to write a tag, this opening and closing. Okay, this greater and smaller sign. So I'll write everything in capital letters. So HTML is a case sensitive, you can write in small also. Then you have to write inside this bracket. Okay, the greater and smaller sign. So this is known as tag in HTML. Then we'll write a head. Okay, then we'll go for the title part. TITLE, title. Title will write here as a first web page. So we are going to design our first web page. Let me close this one. So closing tag, you have to use a slash sign. This means the tag has been closed. Okay, we are closing a title part. Then we'll close the head part. So after this I'll use body busy color, BODY, body, then BZCOLOR. okay, that's background color. Body busy color I'll give as equal to red, and text color I will give as yellow. Any color we can mention. Then I want to just write one heading that we are learning HTML, hypertext markup language. So I'll give the heading that is H1. I will write in the center, so align is equal to CNT, center. Okay, So I'll write here HTML. The full form is hypertext markup language, language, language. Okay, hypertext markup language. So I'll close the h1 part. Then I just want to give one line which is known as HR horizontal rule. Then we can write anything like say I want to give the heading h2. Now I can write here about HTML. Okay, like we can write the features of HTML and anything about HTML we can write. Like suppose if I write the features, I'll give the point number 1. It is simple and easy to use. It is simple and easy to use. Then I'll use the break sign, that's BR. Okay, that means it will move to the next line. Then I will write it is not a case sensitive. It is not a case sensitive. Okay, then more point I can write. It doesn't require. It does not require additional application software. Okay, like this we can write the multiple how much we want. We can mention by giving the break sign. Then say I want to end up this work, so I'll close the body part first, as we are writing everything inside the body. Then I'll close the HTML part, because you can see there head, title, everything has been closed. So this is the structure, children. HTML, first you have to write the opening tag, then head, then title, a closing tag, then head, closing tag, then body. Okay, busy colored and text is optional as per as our choice we need to write. Then the content of your page you have to write there. Then body you have to close, HTML you have to close. So finally, when everything has been done, you have to click on the file, then save as options, and say let me select the desktop, and I want to save this one as class this is class 7 class 6. Okay, class 6. Then dot html is must, children. That is we have to mention dot html. Okay, that's extension. So I saved this one. Let me close this part. You can see the internet part has been displayed. Let me double click that. So it will open in the browser, and we can see here it look like somewhat a page where a heading is there, a line is there, then some features has been written there. It is not only this much, children. We can add pictures, images, borders. We can make exactly the same how you can see in internet. Okay, the pages are designed by this language, and this is known as HTML, hypertext markup language. Clear, children?